In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your payment methods using Google, a simple and straightforward process that will help you keep your financial information secure and up to date. Whether you're managing your personal finances or just trying to clear up some payment options you no longer use, this guide will take you through each step clearly and concisely. To begin with, you'll want to head over to the Temu website. Open your preferred web browser and simply type Temu into the search bar, or you can go directly to the website via its URL if you have that handy. Once your page loads, take a moment to find the profile icon. This is usually found in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, and it might look like a small silhouette of a person or be marked clearly as Profile. Once you click on your profile, you'll hear a satisfying sense of accomplishment as you're one step closer to managing your payment methods. Now look for the option that says Your Payment Methods. It's typically straightforward, so scan through the menu until you spot this heading. This section is dedicated to any credit cards, debit cards, or other payment options you have linked to your account. When you arrive at the Payment Methods page, you'll see a list of the cards you've previously added. If there's a card you no longer want to use, or perhaps one that's been replaced, now is the time to remove it. Look for the Remove button next to the card in question. This action ensures that your outdated or unwanted card no longer appears as an option, which is especially useful if you're in streamline mode and looking to keep your accounts tidy. After clicking Remove, you might be asked to confirm your decision. This is just an extra step for security purposes, making sure that removing a payment method is indeed your intention. Once you've confirmed, the card will disappear from your list of payment methods. And just like that, you're done. Congratulations! With these easy steps, you've just managed your payment methods on Google with grace and efficiency. This simple management can make navigating online transactions smoother, giving you more control over your financial activities. Remember, it's always a good practice to revisit your payment method settings now and then to ensure everything is up to date and reflects your current preferences. Thanks for following along with this guide, and I hope you found it helpful in managing your payment information more effectively.